When will I get my refund on Credit Karma tax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to creditkarma.com. Over here, click on the login option. Then on the login portal, enter your email ID. After that, enter your password and click on the login option. Now, the timing of when you'll receive your tax refund after filing with Credit Karma depends on various factors, including how you choose to receive your refund, when you filed your taxes, and how you filed. If you filed your taxes electronically, the IRS typically processes these returns faster than the paper returns. In most cases, you can expect to receive your refund within 3 weeks of IRS accepting your return. However, this timeline can vary depending on factors such as complexity of your return and whether it's during peak filing season. If you opted to receive your refund via direct deposit into your bank account, you will likely to get your refund faster comparing to receiving a paper check in the mail. Direct deposit refunds are usually processed more quickly by the IRS. If you filed your taxes by mailing a paper return to the IRS, it generally takes longer to process comparing to electronic filing. You can expect to wait several weeks, possibly even up to a few months to receive your refund if you filed by mail. You can check the status of your tax refund through IRS website's Where's My Refund tool. This tool provides update on the processing status of your refund and an estimated date of when you are expected to receive it. Keep in mind that these timelines are approximate and there may be delays due to factors such as errors on your return, identity verification processes, and other issue. If you face any difficulty, you can directly contact the customer support of Credit Karma Tax or contact the IRS. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.